the greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. If you've been in crypto for even just a short amount of time, you've probably heard horror stories of people losing their hard-earned coins. People get wrecked all the time making bad moves like storing their crypto on hot wallets or leaving them on an exchange. It doesn't matter if you're a total noob or a crypto OG, it's up to you to protect your hard-earned crypto. I do not want this happening to you. That's why today I'm going to show you how to set up a Tangem crypto storage wallet. If you're looking to purchase a Tangem wallet like the one I use in this video, you can use my discount code GREATERGOOD for 10% off your order. The official Tangem link and my discount code are in the description of this video. First, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set it up. Don't worry, it's really easy. Then I'm going to show you some cool new features that Tangem just rolled out, including some new coins that'll be supported soon. Oh, and did I mention I'm giving away a 2-card Tangem wallet in this video? Like the video and comment #Tangem in the comments below for your chance to win a 2-card Tangem wallet. US viewers only, please. Winner will be drawn on February 14th, aka Valentine's Day. The same day, Tangem will be offering free swaps for a week if you use Changely within the Tangem app. Okay, without further ado, let's get into setting up your Tangem wallet. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing set up. This is my Tangem wallet that I bought back in June of 2023. I've been mining to this with my first batch, Ice River KS1, my OG KS1 as I like to call it. You can tell that these are a little bit thinner than the newer Tangem wallet cards, and there is no seed phrase capability on the original cards. Now, the new cards that they've come out with, you have the ability to have a seed phrase or no seed phrase. They recommend setting it up without the seed phrase. They say that it is a liability to have a seed phrase. This is the way I'm going to set it up, the way they recommend it. I'm going to set it up without a seed phrase, but just know that there is an option. You can see on the back of the package, I've already opened this obviously. People were worried that their boxes had been tampered with because these do seem to tear somewhat easily off the back of the package. So they've kind of solved that problem by wrapping the newest Tangem wallets in plastic. This is the Kaspa version, but I'm going to be setting up the black 3-card Tangem wallet today without the seed phrase. Let's go ahead and go for it. Okay, there they are, all laid out. So first thing you need to do is download the Tangem wallet app using whatever, Google Play Store and the Apple Store. I've already got mine on my phone. So I do have Tangem wallet already set up on my phone, but when you scan a new set of cards like this, it will open up a whole new wallet for you. So you can have multiple wallets and you can use your phone and the app on your phone to access crypto from different wallets. Crypto is not stored on your phone. It's on the blockchain, you know, so you don't have to worry if you want to store, say, like a certain amount of Kaspa on one of these groups of cards, and then you wanted to store a large amount on another card that you don't use as often. You can do that. So let's go ahead and go into the app, and we're going to scan our first card with the app open. Okay, so now we're in my phone. I've already downloaded the Tangem app, as you can see right there, and we're going to go ahead and turn on NFC on your phone. It's near field communication. That's what the card relies on to scan into your phone. So I have my NFC enabled and I have the app downloaded already. Let's go ahead and open the app. And then I want to scan my new Tangem wallet. So in order to do that, you're going to take the card and you're going to hit scan card, and then it'll show you. See how it's asking you to bring the card to the back of your cell phone? That's where it can communicate with the phone. So I'll hold the Tangem card, the new one, to the back of the phone. You'll see what happens on the screen. It says success. So now this is where it will ask you if you want to generate your private keys. Your keys will be securely generated inside the card. There is no seed phrase, which means nobody can export or steal it. So you can do it that way just by hitting create wallet, or you can hit other options, and it's called legacy. It says you can use a seed phrase if you want to. A seed phrase is a series of words that allows you to recover your wallet. Unlike the keys generated by the card, seed phrases are unprotected and can be copied and stolen. Use this option at your own risk. If you have been in crypto for a while, I've gotten tons of seed phrases written down in multiple books, and I have them engraved in metal. It is a little bit of a pain. I am used to doing it that way. You can see clearly here that you can click on, I don't want to click on it because I don't actually want to generate a seed phrase here, but you can click right down here where it says generate seed phrase if you want to do it that way. I think it'll give you 12 different words. If you do it that way, make sure you protect those words that you write down like it is the money that you have involved in crypto. If you lose that seed phrase, if you write it down on a notebook and it like gets wet, or burns up, or you lose it, you won't be able to recover your crypto. I'm going to do it the way Tangem says, which is to not generate a seed phrase. I've done it both ways. It's up to you which way you want to do it. I'm going to go ahead and hit create wallet. I'm holding the card on the back just like before, and now my first card is done. That's how easy it is. I was just holding the card on the back. You saw how fast it was. Now it says you can back up your keys on up to 2 other blank Tangem wallet cards. I have the other 2 that you saw sitting there. So I'm going to take my second card. I'm going to hit back up now. Add backup card. Click. Hold the card to the back. See how fast that is? So it says 1 backup card added. Now I want to add my third backup card. Hit add a backup card again, and then I'll hold the card to the back of the phone. Boom. So I've got my primary card and 2 backup cards loaded up. Now you'll see at the bottom, it says, first of all, it says max number of cards added, finalize the backup process. So I've got 3 cards on here. I'm gonna hit finalize the backup process. You have to set up a single access code to protect all your wallets. You can set up individual access codes on each card at a different time later on. And then in order to restore it, the access code can be restored with a linked card. Don't keep all the cards in one place. Just like I was telling you with your seed phrases, you're going to want to spread these cards out. That's what I do. I have 1 in my wallet because I actually like to use these Tangem cards for what crypto is meant to be used for. I do like to buy things with it if I can. I've used my Tangem wallet to buy mining equipment, so I want to be able to use crypto when I want to. So I do keep 1 in my wallet. I keep 1 in a protected location. Spread these out, put them in a lockbox. Just make sure they're secure, just like you would your seed phrases. These are your backups for your crypto. So let's go ahead and hit continue. Okay, so now we are at the point where we will create an access code. So it says choose any word, phrase, or number you want as your access code. You guys are going to see it, so I'll just pick the easiest password of all time: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll just change it at a later time. So then hit continue, and then re-enter your access code so you don't mess it up. You want to enter it twice. Make sure that it's consistent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Submit. You have your primary card. It's going to ask you to rescan your primary card. So just remember which order you scan them in. And if you ever have any questions, see how it says 1842 on there? On the back of my primary card, the last 4 digits are 1842. So you should be able to scan it in, and even if you forgot which order you did it in, look at the back of your card, the number will be there. So let's go ahead and scan that card. Wait until it times out. Success. Okay, so backup card number 1 is my card that says 1867 on the back. We're going to scan my first backup card. Scan the card. Done. Success. That's the second card. So the third card, which is the second backup card, if you know what I mean, has the number 1875 on the back. We're going to hit scan the card, hold the card to the back, just like we did in the other ones. Wait 15 seconds or so. Done. Look at the confetti. It's very exciting. Okay, success. Your wallet card is configured and ready to use. Continue to my wallet. Okay, now let's go ahead and punch in the access code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't tell anybody my super secret code, okay, guys? Scan the card. Okay, and we're in. So it looks like it loads up Bitcoin and Ethereum right off the bat, but you can add tokens. You can organize how they show up. If you want Ethereum on the top, which I don't, I'll put Bitcoin on the top. Hit apply and it'll save whatever you just did. Let's add one of my favorite coins in, known as Kaspa. If you guys have seen my channel, you know I like my Kaspa. Boom. Searched. Add it. So easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scan the card again. There it is. It's so easy, it's so fast, it's intuitive. That's why I like Tangem cards. They're useful for a regular person. See, I told you guys it would be easy to set this thing up. So not only is it easy to set up a Tangem card, but I also like how Tangem has a lot of cool stuff coming out. Tangem in white, cool. Tangem ring, cool. This is what I'm very excited about. Network integrations and Q1, VeChain, XDC, I think that's already done. Algorand, Hedera, Aptos. March is where I'm the most excited because we've got Nexa, Radiant, Dynex. I love that because I like mining these coins. So I want to be able to move these coins around very easily without having to use a hot wallet. I hate using web wallets, and I am very excited that they're going to have Dynex, Radiant, and Nexa. That is big news. It's hard to find wallets that catch these coins so early. And talk about convenient, they already have cross-chain swaps. So you can swap those coins out for another coin if you're interested in switching things around. They are also expanding their list of crypto exchange providers. They'll be adding Changelly February 14th, 0% fees, like I said, from the 14th to the 21st. So if you're planning on moving some things around, maybe try it around that date and get 0% fees. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to use that 10% off discount code. Don't leave money on the table, don't leave your money on the exchanges, and don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.